Tough for any batter.
Well, Bolden, that one has gone straight on. Not sure if it's the deucer or whether it's just skidded on through the gate. But Pakistan champions have found their first wicket.
In the air, not sure he gets enough of this. Should be taken, is taken. Bowled. Big wicket for Shoaib Malik, just held it back a little bit slower. And the temptation for Dunk to go to that shorter boundary on the leg side.
Believe his luck. He was probably looking at somewhere deep in the stand.
Gone! Cleaned up! Boom, boom! How many times have we seen that celebration? Go back at your peril, Ben Cutting.
Tim Payne, new man in, and the googly works this time for Shahid Afridi. The end of the innings, clean bowled. The hard length working for Sohail Tanveer. Was looking to go big on the onside. Cool tonight.